Good morning, first graders. Today is Wednesday, May 27th. I loved watching your Flipgrids about your favorite memories from first grade. It made me miss being together with you at school so much more. Today, we have our last live lesson together. It's going to be a fun activity, so be sure to join. It's also a great way to say goodbye to all your classmates before summer break. Can't wait to see you. Love, Miss Rimride. For your greeting today, I want you guys to go on to Flipgrid. There's a new question on there, so your greeting will be saying hello on there and then also seeing other people's greetings. So you can share what your dreams for the future are. So share either what you want to be or what you want your future to look like, what you want second grade to look like. Just share about your dreams for the future. And for your activity today, put on your favorite song or two and just dance around to them. Have fun. Again, please join our live lesson at 1 o'clock. It's going to be more of a fun get-together than a lesson, but I'm going to make sure that we all have tons of fun. We're smiling and laughing, and if you want to stay on a little longer at the end, I will have a game for you guys to play too, but that's totally optional. All right, see you guys at 1 o'clock.